I'm Gigi and welcome back. So today's video is going to be about how to do a touch-up and a Crisan treatment at the same time. So I just want to make clear that as a stylist, we're always experimenting. So this is of my doing. This is not something that the company is recommending. This is not something that they say that you should do. And if you don't do it properly, your color touch-up will not be successful. So I just want to say that this is something that I recommend, that I use. I maximize my time by doing two things at once. With that said, let's go ahead and explain what is it that you need, which is very basic. Your color, which I already have mixed. Isn't this bowl so cute? My friend made it. I just love it. So it's my color touch-up and the Crisan oil. Now, I'm not going to show you how I do my touch-up because that's in another video if you're interested. But these are the two things that you do need. I'm going to explain to you that when I go ahead and I do my touch-up with the Crisan oil, I do the touch-up first. Why do I do it first and not first the oil? So when I part the hair and I separate the hair, this might get the oil that I'm going to put in the ends. So I don't want to end up putting oil on the part that I use to separate the hair so I can apply the color, and then for the color not to take properly. So you put the oil after, and I'm going to show you right now how, after my touch-up, applying it, I'm going to show you how I put the oil, because you want to make sure that you don't put it too high and that you're going to end up probably interrupting the color process. Let me go ahead and apply the color and then show you how you apply the Crisan, which is very simple, but I'll go ahead and I'll show you how. I have already applied the color. As you can see, if I move kind of stiff, it's just that I don't want to get my sweater dirty. But so what I went ahead and I parted my hair in two like this after applying the color, and then I grabbed some of the Crisan, probably like a quarter size. It's very important that when you apply it in your hand, don't right away blob it into your hair because it just goes in one spot. So you want to go ahead and work it through from the bottom. So I did this because I have a mirror right here, okay? So from the bottom, you work your way up. Bottom, you work your way up to the mid-length here. See, I don't go all the way to the roots because I don't want to affect the way that the color, the peroxide and the ammonia, we don't want to affect the process of the color. You repeat the other side, and then I wouldn't clip it up again because you have oil in the mid-length to end, so you don't want to clip it on the top because again, the oil can go ahead and affect the process of the color. So just braid it, and you go ahead, you can braid it or just scrunch it up. I'll show you right now once I do the other side. I go ahead and use a clip, or you can use a scrunchie, whatnot. I'm just showing you, but you can use whatever works for you. The most important part is that you're aware not to put it where the product, the oil, is going to mix with the color and that it's going to affect it. So this is, I put it here down below because this is not going to fall on the hair that is being colored like if it would up here. That's the reason why, okay? So you clip it down here and then you won't have a problem, and you just wait your 45 minutes and voila, you have a treatment and a touch-up at the same time. Easy peasy. So this is the results of Crisan and a hair color touch-up. You can see that the hair is very soft and it's very shiny, and the gray coverage was perfect. So you can get a treatment, a Crisan treatment, 45 minutes, and a color touch-up at the same time. Now remember that if you want to run the color through the ends, do not put the oil, because then it's not going to take. This is only and only for a color touch-up, which means you do not run the color through the ends. If you want to, then do not apply the oil, because it's not going to work. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know, comments as well. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, healthy hair is shiny hair. Take care, ciao.